Yes, good morning, Biafrans, from here, and may God bless you all. First of all, I want to thank all the genuine Biafrans that have been following my platform. Thank you for, supporting me, supporting what I do, and sharing and reposting my videos so that the world will see and hear what is going on in this contraction called Nigeria. There is something that has been flying around since yesterday, and which I don't think is true because I've not seen it in any court of Finland. They said MAZI Simon's Ekpa'S case with Nigeria has been fixed on 30th of May 2025, which I don't think is true. I don't think that is correct, and I don't know why BBC will be lying. BBC Igbo, or I think BBC, I just saw BBC Nigeria. I don't know why they keep lying to the world and the public. I don't know where they got their own news from, because all the rubbish that they wrote here is not true.
All right, si Bobby Wekene Mono Konye Chikwari Yazelu Biafrans all over the world. I salute you all. Obuni name my platforms of former Iga Madatna. A post on this update from BBC-NEWS-PIGIN. Mbose hand drop data. We know that now. Finland government they fixed go 30th of May as the day MAZI Simon Ekpa'S trial gave video. So I saw that update from BBC-NEWS-PIGIN. We post where Open for updates from 19 I got me post that update. Because now for the couple of days now, I think up to 3, 4, 5 days now, or maybe any video, drop or write any updates concerning this case surrounding MAZI Simon Ekpa in Finland. So man, now Potagota we be any latest update. See that now update from BBC-NEWS-PIGIN Abreziopo. So actually I'm going to get anti no na this video. And for as many through that video post we believe in that update from BBC-NEWS-PIGIN. Actually I'm going to watch this one. I'm going to see the authentic update from one night can na MAZI Simon Ekpa'S Photocopy. Concerning this case, MAZI Simon Ekpa, Finnish government and the Nigerian government. So settle on down and watch the video from beginning to the end. Actually, I'm going to know video. You watch it here. You want to drop your opinion in the comment section. To start this video, can also upload the other one and post. We forward this one. Watch the rest of the video, guys. I'll be right back.
We know that on the 30th remains the day we will use to honor our hero, fallen heroes. The day we will use to open our ever first embassy in United States of America, and a day that the Biafrans will be sitting at home for the remembrance of our fallen heroes. And this is all what I've got for you for now. Now I need to speed it up and come to Nnamdi Kanu's case. Nnamdi Kanu remains an innocent man. Nnamdi Kanu has no case in any court of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu remains prisoner of conscience, and the Nigerian government are the one that is said to be sitting on that dock answering to the questions on how Nnamdi Kanu got to Nigeria without following the due process of law of removing a citizen from a particular country where he is visited and committed no crime in that country. Nigeria has no jurisdiction to try Nnamdi Kanu. Again, Nigeria has no jurisdiction to try Nnamdi Kanu. A country that unalives its citizens, degrades its citizens, will be met with the same equal measure of violence anywhere in the world. Nigeria doesn't know what they have stepped into. And I want to tell Biafrans, be resolute, be very strong. Don't let anybody to demoralize your spirit. Biafran is 10 steps ahead of Nigerian terrorist government, because we are hitting their head with whatever we've got, and they can never survive this. Now, MAZI Simon Ekpa will drag them for the very first time. Nigeria would definitely come to Finland and international courts to discuss Biafran's matter. I don't know the dates because they keep changing the date and they keep telling us different things. So, but what I know and what I'm putting out there is that as soon as the date is being made public or available, we will come here to tell you nothing but the truth. But disregard that 30th because we have not seen it, and I have not seen it anywhere, and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people and continue the deceit of innocent Nigerians and the world at large. Nigeria is rapt to be one of the deadliest countries in the world for Christians to live in. Today, Nigeria harvests its citizens' organ, unlike them, and forcefully disappear them from their various homes. Today, we are here to tell the world that Nigeria is a dead zone and a death trap for any Christian to live in. And I'm telling you people the truth. If you want, there are so many videos that I have on my phone that you guys cannot even watch. Again, Biafrans, I want you to understand that as we are in this phase 2 of our liberation and complete freedom from this Nigerian terrorist government, a lot is going to be happening. First of all, our embassy will be opened on the 30th of this month. Secondly, we will be heading home this year. And thirdly, MAZI Simon Ekpa, I don't know, but will be released as soon as this whole thing is over, because Nigeria has no case against him. We have seen the videos of our brother that is kneeling before the terrorist Nigerian vice president, Shetima. This is the same Shetima that said he's going to deal with Igbos. They are going to deal with Igbos, and this is where our brother goes to kneel before them. It is very shameful indeed. Very, very, absolutely shameful. These are the people, when you talk about Biafra, they don't care. These are the people, when you discuss anything about Biafra, they don't want to get associated with it. These are the people, they don't want to hear Biafra because of their businesses. Why they go to the northern region to kneel to these terrorist governments. May God help Biafrans. Again, we have seen the insults, the persecution of Ndi Igbo in Obogu market. We have taken note of that. This is a country where Igbos are targeted to be a slave. Can you imagine? You claim that these people are selling fake drugs. You went medicine, not this thing, but medicine, drinking medicine. You went as far as locking their shops and told them to pay 700,000 naira to open their shops. That is extortion, stealing. There is no kind of thing I have never heard in Nigeria. Nigeria is not working for anybody. It's not working for Nigerians. And yet you people keep believing that one miracle will happen. Obi will come and do Nigeria good. Nigeria can never be good. I'm telling you people this. So forget it. We have lived abroad and see how humans live normally. But when we tell you people you come to attack us, the next thing you will tell us is to come back home. Come back home to come and do what? To come and join you people in that your wicked and tyrannic country. Mazi Simon Ekpa said, I will be the end of Usman Danfodio legacy. And that is what he has done. So we are expecting the Nigerian government to come to the international court, to come to Finland as soon as the dates of the case is made available. We're expecting them. Most especially, I like to call names of the people I want them to come to that Finland court hearing. Number one is General Christopher Musa, the man who said Ekpa has been a menace to Nigeria. Number one, Christopher Musa, you will come to defend the old allegation over Simon Ekpa. If you don't come, we don't have a case. Number two, Bianca Ojukwu, the woman who wrote to Finland that Ekpa is the problem of the Southeast. And number three, I would like to use this number three to invite our leader's wife, Kanu. You people are the ones that wrote petitions against our prime minister for defending the land of Biafra. You see, the problem was, if my husband does not bring Biafra, no other person will bring Biafra. And that is why over 1,000 plus Biafrans have been massacred in their homes. The Senate President Akpabio, number four, we want you to come because you were part of the people who instigated the Finnish authority to invite our prime minister for terrorism. So you people will come and explain yourself. Don't send the representative. You can come with your lawyers. That is where we will disgrace all of you. Number five, you see, Brekete family, you must come to Finland as well because you people are the one that were getting Finland there. Oh, Simon Ekpa is destroying us. Simon Ekpa is causing insecurity. Simon Ekpa. Now that there is insecurity destroying the whole Southeast, destroying the whole Nigeria, you people are no longer calling that same Finland. So I would like you people to come and defend this case. We are calling you out. Number six, Sheyi Tinubu, the son of the drug lord, the son of the most corrupt man, one of the most corrupt men in the world. Your father is said to be the number 5th most corrupt president in the world. So this number 7, yeah? Number 7, we want Peter Mba, governor, illegitimate governor of Enugu State, to come and defend the allegation that you brought. And you said you have allegations against our prime minister. So we are with you on the dates that will be given by the Finnish authority to come and defend your country, Nigeria. Number 8, governor of the illegitimate governor of Anambra State, Chukwuma Soludo, that called my prime minister a gang of criminal, a thief. So you must come. This is the man when Obogu was locked and the Nigerian government was oppressing our people. He couldn't say a word. What he did was to give Tinubu, the drug lord, a criminal, a thief, chieftaincy title, the same man that refuses him to come in on the date of his inauguration. He came to your own land and you gave him chieftaincy title. But yet, Obogu was locked. This you, Soludo, did not say a word. If My suspicion is that Soludo knows about the 700,000 that they were collecting from that market. He knows everything about it. He's a thief. Soludo is a criminal. His children are here in London messing up. But you are going after people that are plating their hair. But your children plait hair. You useless governor. Very useless man indeed. Look at the way they are molesting, destroying the lives of properties of our people. And yet you have not been able to create one job opportunity for the citizens of Nigeria. Yet you were not able to stand for the people that Nigerian government were oppressing in Obuobu market. The NAFDAC woman, the NAFDAC people were oppressing in your own state. It is that VDM that is fighting for your own country. Do you know how shameful that is? VDM is not the one fighting for the citizen of Anambra State. If I may ask, is VDM the governor of Anambra State? If I may ask, VDM, is he the governor of Anambra State? This is how shameful you people are. And when we call for sit at home, these are the same people who will come and say, oh, sit at home must stop. Stop sit at home. Why is it Nnamdi Kanu your brother? You can't say a word. But that drug lord came from West to collect chieftaincy title. And you, Soludo, gave him chieftaincy title. Anna will swallow all of you. The ground will march on, will step on, will swallow all of you. I'm telling you the truth. There is no kind of evil that you people have not committed. Our people are suffering. They are really suffering. All you could do was to give the people who are helping to unalive our citizens chieftaincy title. Useless man. It is not VDM that is fighting for the people. Do you see how shameful you are? VDM that is fighting for the people. The names I've called, these are the people I want them to come to Finland to come and defend their country, their soul-loving country, caring country that Simon Ekpa was destroying. Because you people will definitely come. Thank God that Simon has dragged you people to the International Criminal Court. Thank God. You think you can sit in Nigeria and do whatever you want to do? You think you can sit in Nigeria and bribe and pay anybody you want to pay? Because you are government. Because they call you government. Now, I was very happy to hear that they refused Shegumi visa from going to is it Saudi Arabia. That's to tell you that these people are getting the message. We have been able to, put down Musa. Musa was denied Canadian visa. They will continue to deny all you terrorist governments visa to any country in this life. Because you people are murderers. You kill your own citizens. And yet you want to go to another man's land where there is love, peace, unity, where the people have spent a lot of money to, make their country one of the best nations in the world. But in Nigeria, no. It is war. When MAZI Nnamdi cannot call for separation, it's called for war for you. And that's why you went as far as Kenya to kidnap him. And now went as far as Finland to wanting to extradite Simon Ekpa, but to choke you now. He has choked you. And these people are not even telling Nigerians what is going on. Nigerian government they are avoiding to come to Finland. That is the simple truth. That is why all this delay tactics of date is not even coming up. Because they might tell them, oh, we'll be ready in 3 weeks. We'll be ready in 4 weeks. Nigeria is full of fraud. Now they are no more saying anything about Simon Ekpa. How come are you people no more writing? Are they not bringing him back again? General Christopher Musa, are you tired of lying to Nigerians that you people have completely submitted documents on extradition of Simon Ekpa? Are you tired of lying to the public? No, come out. We need you to come to Finland and continue to lie to us. Thank God for people like us that are here. Very shameful people. I want to use this opportunity to tell General Christopher Musa, if you know anywhere that your military is still occupying the southeast, remove them. Because there will be a time they cannot even run again. I'm telling you the truth. The Inspector General of Police, Biafra, is now a sovereign nation. Remove all your terrorist army. Remove all of them. All your terrorist police, uniform men, ragtag armies, remove all of them. There will be a time that they cannot run again. They will see an escape route. You remove Simon Ekpa and now brought terrorist army to unalive our people. And now brought Fulanis to now start invading our forest. To now start going into our forest and destroying our crops. We know what you are doing and it can never be well with you. So remove all your terrorist soldiers, remove all your terrorist police, remove anything that is consigned Nigerian military in that land away. You get the time when you go reach, you go begin hard. Before that time, pull all your soldiers from our land. I will not say that I didn't warn you. We will not say that we did not tell you. Biafra is now a sovereign nation. You respect sovereignty. So respect the sovereign nation of Biafra and stop unaliving our people, because your cup is getting filled up. The message was sent to this terrorist negotiator, Shigumi, and he got the message clear. And this is what we want to be hearing. Deny all of them visa. Continue to deny them because they are not humans. That is why today Tinubu cannot go to US. He can't because he doesn't know his fate. Tinubu can never travel to US. Tinubu can go to any country in this world, but he can never touch his foot in the United States of America because he's wanted by the FBI. That is your president. And when we talk, you say, oh, you are just there talking rubbish. Your president cannot step his foot in the United States of America. That is the simple truth. That is the reality on ground. We cannot go to the United States as we speak. All of them, they know. Because they will be arrested. Most of them will be jailed. They are all criminals. Their case file is there waiting for them. Give you these things for free of charge. Don't pay us. It's not a problem. That is why Cubana chief priest can go to Southeast, disgracing we in Igbo. He doesn't speak for us anyway. We don't know who he is. People that arrested him money for no reason, brought him and extorted from him. If it was not VDM that was shouting injustice, injustice before they left him, and they went and kidnapped that same VDM. And you see how senseless. You are kneeling down and you went to Tinubu, you are bending. And Nnamdi Kanu is languishing in DSSS dungeon. Mazi Simon Ekpa'S is kidnapped. Madam Ngozi Orabede, she's looking for support. None of you can support her, but you are going to kneel before animals. People that are unaliving your own people, your own citizens. Can you see how eccentric people can be? I really don't want to talk about these people, and I don't want this video to be too long. Dear friends, I love you all. Our embassy in 4 days from now will be opened in United States of America. Very first embassy, and that will be the beginning of wisdom for Nigeria. Thank you so much for being here with me every single day. I love you all, and may God bless every one of you. Thank you.